So putting on some new shifter knobs. Gonna make this thing a little custom. Pretty simple to do. Paid less than 15 bucks for them. Everything appears to be here. Had to do a little modification on the shifter rod. Not a big deal. Not like I'm gonna put the stock ones back on ever. Simple to do. I used a Sawzall. You know what one of those bad boys are. Metal blade. I did want to mention I used the Sawzall because the grinder, I have a nice grinder. It's got a thin cut blade. I got my old shifter knobs. Anybody who need a shifter knob, I have a couple. I used the didn't use the grinder because I didn't want sparks flying all over my seats and getting everywhere, possibly damaging things. When you use the Sawzall though, you do need to be careful that you do not cut into the other shifter knob or your dash or your steering wheel. So just be careful. I set a rag down just to collect the pieces that come off, the little shards of metal, and blew the rest out, and it was pretty simple. But make your own decision. But I use the Sawzall, no sparks. Just make sure you don't hit anything with it and damage that. I already got this one cut off. You see the end of it. Well, this is what I cut off of it. Drop the piece there. This is what I cut off. As you can see, it was about 1.25 inches longer, and it stayed wide all the way down, just like this piece. So I cut off some distance on there, and then I knocked it down. That way it'll fit on the nice round part down here. Makes it stick on better. As you can see, I got this one on, and it's tight. Man, it don't move. I got the green one and I got the blue one. I already had the blue one on last week. I was just modifying. I had it pointing up, and it's pretty cool. You can see it out your windshield, and when it's down, you know, it's here, it's looking up at you. But since I got two, I thought about going both the same way. But then if you're over there, you get out of the vehicle or whatever, you're over there, you can see the other one looking at you. It's pretty cool. Easy, simple mod. Cheap to do. Add some zazz to your ride. I might get another blue one and just do both blue since my ride is blue. Anyway, simple to do, inexpensive, and looks pretty cool. Have a good day. All done. Turned out pretty cool. Got my green skull here. Got my blue bike though. Woo! Like them Pioneers. And my blue skull. Woo! Looks pretty good. I'm liking it. I don't know, I was looking at all these different things I could get for there. They had like gun handle grips and different things, mostly skulls. My wife suggested getting both the same color. Although because I like different things, and probably because my wife said get both the same color, I decided to get the green and the blue. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I get another blue one? Heck, or should I get another green one? Switch it up a little. I know the bike's already blue. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.